Hi, my name is Preeti. In this video, we will explain about exercise 6.2 from triangles chapter. So, question 1 of 1. There it is given one pictures where this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is DE. And AD is 1.5 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter, and this we have to find out. So it's given that ki DE is parallel to BC. So given that DE is parallel to BC, and we have to find out the EC value. As per theorem 6.1 from theorem 6.1, we can also say it as basic probability theorem. Okay, so as per basic probability theorem, if DE is parallel to BC, so their corresponding sides will be the same ratio, means AD by DB equals to AE by EC. Okay, so what is AD? AD is 1.5, DB is 3, equals to AE is 1, and what is AC? AC we don't know. Sorry, EC, not AC. EC. And this EC we have to find out. So what is EC? So EC equals to 1 into 3, means this into this divided by 1.5. Okay, if we will remove this point here, we will put 0 here. So 15 to 30. So EC equals to 2 centimeter. Easy, right? Now the second one. We have another pictures here. A, B, C, and this is DE. AD we don't know. DB is 7.2 centimeter. AE is 1.8 centimeter, and EC is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, and it's given that keep DE is parallel to DE is parallel to BC. Same thing, correct? That means if this is parallel, according to basic probability theorem, AD by DB equals to AE by EC. Okay, so what is AD? AD we don't know. DB is 7.2, AE is 1.8, and EC is 5.4. Okay, so what is AD? AD equals to this into this, means 7.2 multiplied by 1.8 divided by 5.4. Okay, now we have to calculate this. So we will remove this point here. 18 3s are 54, right? Yes. So 7.3 divided by 3. So, or we can also write as 72 divided by 30. That means ki 32 is 60.120, yani ki 34 is 120. So AD equals to 2.4 centimeter. Easy, right? So this is the solution of question 1, right? Now the question number 2. Okay, so what is question number 2? E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. Means we have one triangle PQR in which E and F are points on sides. E is here PQ and F is here on PR. Okay, for each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to, so means we have to check, not prove, check what EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. How we will check this? If that corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means ki if PE by EQ equals to PF by FR. Okay, so if that corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then only we can say here this EF is parallel to QR according to basic probability theorem. Okay, so what is given? The first point is given ki P equal to 4 centimeter, EQ equals to 3 centimeter, PF equals to 3.6 centimeter, and FR equals to 2.4 centimeter. Okay, so we will put this value in this equation. So what is PE? PE is 4, EQ is 3, equals to PF 3.6 and FR 3.4. We will see if this is true, equal or not. So 4 by 3, this is 2.4. So this remove dot, and 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. So that means ki 4 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 2, right? So we can say that ki in this condition EF is not parallel to QR, right? Okay, now the second one. Here it's given PE equals to 4 centimeter, QE equals to 4.5 centimeter, PF equals to 8 centimeter, and RF equals to 9 centimeter. Okay, so we will put this value in this equation. What is PE? PE is 4, EQ is 4.5 equals to 8 PF is 8 or RF is 9. Okay, so if we will remove this point here, we will put 1 0 here. So 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, means 8 by 9 equals to 8 by 9. So this is true, correct? So we can say that keep not P, EF is parallel to QR. Okay, now the third one. In this, what is given? PQ equals to 1.28 centimeter, PR equal to 2.56 centimeter, PE equals to 0.18 centimeter, and PF equals to 0.63 centimeter. Okay, so what is PE? PE is not here. So how we will calculate PE? So PE equals to PQ minus EQ. Okay, so we will write it as PQ minus EQ divided by EQ equals to, what is PF? PF equals to PR minus FR. Okay, so PR minus FR divided by what? PFR. Okay, yeah. Now what is PQ? 1.28 minus EQ. What is EQ? EQ is not given. PQ is given. PR. Okay, PR, PE. 1 minute. PQ is given. EQ. EQ is also not given. So we have to calculate what is given. PQ and PR and PE. PE is given. Okay. Okay, so we will not calculate by using this way because we don't know EQ. Okay, so we have PE. So we will use PE divided by, because PE already given. We don't know EQ. So what is EQ? EQ equals to PQ minus PE, right? PE. Correct? PQ is also given, PQ given, PE given. Okay, and PF is given. Correct? So PF is here, PF by FR. What is FR? FR is PR minus PF. PR minus PF. Okay, so what is PE? PE is 0.18. PQ, what is PQ? 1.28 minus PE is 0.18 equals to PF is 0.63 divided by PR. PR is 2.56 minus PF is 0.63. Okay, so 0.18 divided by 1.28 minus 0.18 is 1.10. Okay, equals to 0.63 divided by 2.56 minus 0.63, which is equals to 3 and 9 and 1. Right, this dot dot we can remove because after dot 2 digits, so we can remove. Okay, so here 9 2s are 18, 5 2s are 10, and here 63. So 3 63 and how we will 3, can we divide by 3? No. Yeah, sorry, here I did mistake. It was not 0.63, it was 0.36. Okay, so again I will calculate this in the next page because this is a little lengthy. So what is PE? PE is 0.18, and what is PQ minus PE? So PQ is 1.28 minus 0.18. 1.28 minus 0.18 equals to PF. PF is 0.36, which by mistake I wrote as 0.63. And PR minus PF. So what is PR? 2.56. So 2.56 minus 0.36. Okay, now we will calculate this. 0.18 divided by 1.28 minus 0.18. So this will become 1.10. Okay, equals to 0.36 by 2.56 minus 0.36. It will become 2.20. Okay, so we will remove that dot, and this 18 by 110 equals to 36 by 220. Is it same? Here we can calculate 9 2s are 18 and 55 2s are 110, and here 9 4s are 36 and 4 5s are 20 and 4 5s are again 20. Yeah, so 9 by 55 equals to 9 by 55, right? So it's true. That means we can say that ki what was that? EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Okay, now question number 4. What was the question number 4? Sorry, we solved it till 2. So now question number 3. Here also again one picture is given. So I will draw that picture. AC, BC, M, this is L, this is D, this is N. Okay, so in this picture what is given that LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Okay, so we have to prove that AM by MB equals to AN by AD. Okay, so what is given? First one, LM parallel to CB, LM parallel to CB. So if we will take this triangle ABC, okay, from triangle ABC, since ML is parallel to BC according to given, as per given. So from theorem 6.1, their corresponding side will be in the same ratio. That means AM by MB equals to AL by LC. Fine. Now from triangle ACD, okay, here it's given LN parallel to CD. So according to theorem 6.1, AL by AL by LC equals to AN by ND. Correct? Now if we will make it as 1 and this make it as 2, here also AL by LC, here also AL by LC. So from equation 1 and 2, since these two are same, so we can say that ki AM by MB equals to AN by ND. Correct? So that same thing we have to prove. Correct? AM by MB equals to AN by ND. Correct? So this is proved now. Right? Okay. So the question 3 resolved. Now question 4. So what is question 4? Here also one more picture is given. Let me draw that picture. This is A, C, here B, here D, and here 2 point F and E. Draw this, match this, and this. Okay, so what is given? Let me write first. Given DE is parallel to AC, means DE is parallel to AC, and DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Okay, so what we have to prove? Prove that BF by FE equals to BE by EC. Okay, now from triangle, since DE parallel to AC is given, DE parallel to AC, so from triangle ABC, according to theorem 6.1 or basic probability theorem, their corresponding sides will be the same ratio. Correct? So BD by DA equals to, I am taking this DE is parallel to AC, means ki BE by EC. Correct? And from the same triangle, if not exactly from the same triangle, we will take from triangle A, B and E. A, B, E. Okay? In this triangle, DF is parallel to AE, right? So their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio, means BD by DA equals to BF by FE. Fine. Make it as 1 and this make it as 2. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2, since this BD by DA, here also BD by DA, since this both are equals to BD by DA, that means that other side will also be equals, means BE by EC equals to BF by FE, correct? The same thing we have to prove, right? So that means it's proved, correct? So that rest question we will resolve in next video. Till that time, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.